kuningi kushiwo ngawe Clive.
Yeah.
Ukuthi awuthwasanga.
And it's not a secret.
I'm running the show. Yes. So last week utrende kakhulu. Who is Lunga?
All right. Lunga is a boy whom I took in my house la. Ulunga came last year September manginomgidi wami wokugcotshela ubishop. Uletha usisi wakhe. Ulunga makafika, right, talented boy ushaya isigubhu. Usisi wakhe presented Ulunga kimi athi na Ulunga akandawo yokuhlala.
Ulunga uthi bekahamba nawe kulawo manzi lawo wena ufike lapha and lento lena inyoka la ngezansi la ngaphezulu iwumuntu. So me as Chef Bata, I'm asking you because as I'm saying, I interviewed a lot of people.
Yes.
Utwele?
No. Angitwela.
Uhlangana pho neinyoka ezingabantu phezulu
lezi. Ngihlangana apha neinyoka. La endlini. Mina I've got a bodyguard, I've got a driver. Ne? Ujomo uhlala endlini. Ujomo uhlala la for 3 years now. Ulunga ufike la September. Would you think when I would trust that boy? Ufike la uhlele la 5 months. Ngishiya umuntu engihlele la 3 years. You see, if I was fake Phatanani, mina ngisebenzela la. Ngihlala la. Wonke umuntu ongifunayo ongithola la. If I was fake, bekungithole mina la. Abangihlala in some estate of Africa ngivalelekile lapha. I come here mangizosebenza, mangicela ukusebenza ngiyahamba. I'm easily accessible. People from my church will tell me, even after church they come to me. I'm that guy.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. Your host, Chef Phatanani Mbatha. Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. My name is Phatanani, I am your host. You know what exciting? Today, ngizothanda indaba basically. Today ngifuna ukuthi uzophendula. A lot has been said about you.
Yes.
But anyway, please introduce yourself. Who are you? Where you from? And what's special about you? Those who don't know you, Munchies and Thoughts is growing every day.
Yes. All right. My name is Bishop Clive Porter. I'm a traditional healer.
Okay.
Yes. And I lead a church as well, Karen Kazamulo. I was born and bred in Davidton. But now I'm in Gababa, Whiteville.
You are a bishop?
Yes.
Are you a bishop?
I am a bishop.
What was your name?
Last year, September.
Tell us more.
I'm ordained. I'm ordained as a bishop.
Okay. Anyway, this is an exclusive interview that I'm doing with Bishop Clive Porter. Of course, nonke nibonile kuningi kushiwo kuningi kukhulunyiwe kuma social media. He was trending last week, if I'm not mistaken, TikTok, of course. So today I decided to come and sit with Clive, Bishop Clive, because I believe wonke umuntu uyalidinga ithuba lokuthi aziphendulele. And of course, I am not here to play, but I'm here to ask you questions. So some of the questions might not sit well, but I need
bring
answers.
it on.
Okay.
Yeah.
And of course, tomorrow, 7 o'clock, we are live.
No problem.
Because we need to give other Munchies a chance to ask you questions. Maybe I might leave some of the questions.
I'll be there.
Clive, kuningishiwe ngawe baba.
Yeah. But
that's why ngikubuza ukuthi wena Clive ungumbishop ugcotshwe nini wagcotshwa ubani?
All right. I was ordained last year, September, as a bishop. But I started ministry from 2010, officially, a House of Glory, aka Kyle Kazimo. So now, Mangali Bandha 2010, I was ordained as a prophet at that time, until my gift grew and my ministry grew.
Okay, you were ordained as a prophet then?
No. You are born as a prophet.
Yeah, I wanted to know.
So ordination is there to confirm, to affirm the gift upon your life.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So now, the ministry Akula from Davidton, Whiteville, 2010. Moved to Davidton, and then again, that's where I was based, Kakulu, at Davidton. Because originally, very Davidton.
Okay.
Nala Whiteville.
And then I was watching another video.
Yeah.
Ubungoma bungenaphi? Buqhamuke kanjani?
Okay. Ubungoma into edala ikhona.
Okay.
But you see, I was trying to run away from it. Ngicover up ngesonto. Ubungoma yinto yasekhaya. It's generational, this thing. So now, I try to cover up this thing ukuthi ngibe umzalwane, ngisindiswe. But azange ngiyeke. Yahlala kimi. Until kwaphoqa ukuthi ngithathe lesi sikhwama sasekhaya.
Okay. So uthwasile?
Awuthwasanga. No, azange ngiphuze ngiliphalaze, ngihlale ngisho.
Mara mina ukazi wangitshela.
Ngakutshela. Go to our previous interviews, I told you.
Okay, fine. Awuthwasanga.
Yebo.
So emngomeni ufika kanjani? Because as far as I know, abangoma kumele bethwase.
No, that's not true.
Yeah, educate me.
Yeah, let me educate you there.
Yes.
All right. Ubungoma, ne? It's an umbrella. Kuna branches kule umbrella. It's like a tree. Now, I'm not a self-initiate. Ngiyigedla.
Okay.
Yini igedla umuntu wazi imithi.
Okay.
Umuntu ofundiswa imithi.
Okay.
Umuntu ophuphayo ukuthi lapha kanje thatha lo uhlanganisa lo uzophuma into enje. And ngiyahlola baba. Angidlali futhi ngihamba ngomoya ushaya umhlahla.
Okay.
Angidlali.
Okay, Clive, uthi wena uyigedla and wena unesikhwama. Isikhwama sakho sibuyaphi wasithathaphi kanjani? There is a video that I watched. You saying uthwasemanzini or walanda isikhwama emanzini. Please correct me there and please try to educate me and the Manchis that are watching about that.
Okay. 2008. That's where it all started. That time I was running a ministry. Ngomzalwane. Fully blown. 2018 I started to having ngiba namaphupho, visions. That's what we call them. Ngiphupha nginikezwa iliri yinduku ephathwa amapostoli esontweni. Nginikezwa iliri benginikezwa kahlahla amandla phecelezi. So now things started to change. Ukhokho wami, ne? Uhlala la eWhiteville. 2 streets away from my house here. Kuneliri lakhe owanikezwa baba Masango. Khokho wami kaMasango. And now mangicala ngibe nalamaphupho lawo. Kanti kuneliri ekhaya likhona. So I went to another bishop was St. John's, a Davidton Bishop Musana. I went to him. He was the one who officiated that ceremony. Wathi no, iphupho lakho siyalizwa. Kune indlela ekumele ulithathe ngayo leli lelo. Okay, fine, we went ngoba nesishiso ngoba na yonke lento le. That's where it all started mangiphatha leli leliya. And then kwachubeka until kwaphoqa ke manje isimo. So ukuthi ngimove, ngihlala la. So ukuthi ngimove la and then I went to Durban. Kunendawo ngakhonjwa yona emaphupheni wami. I didn't even know the place. Kuthiwa eMandeni. Didn't even know the place. When I called on my phone, it's 8 hours away from here. I went to that place. Mangifika lapho, there's a specific ngeke ngisho ukuthi kuphi ngoba baningi bangagijimela khona. Kunendawo yami, my spot. Abaseduze kwami, they know that spot.
Okay, spot sakho is intaba
amanzi. No, I'm coming. Wait for me.
Okay.
There's my spot there. It's Lwandle. Lolo Lwandle lolo akusilwandle lamba abantu abaningi. Kakhulu lamba abelungu.
Oh.
Mangifika ke lapha
you are exclusive. Okay.
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Interesting.
So mangifika lapho ke nganekuzwa isikhathi.
Waluza isikhathi?
Nganikezwa.
Wanikezwa isikhathi.
Isikhathi sokuthi ngiye ngosikhathi bani
lapho Lwandle lapho.
Yes.
Okay.
That's why nabahamba nami even ala esontweni. They know thina masiye emanzini kunesikhathi esiyangasemanzini. Mina ngiye emanzini ekseni or emini no.
Okay.
None nyeza lapho, I'm coming there. Wait for me. So again, when I went there, kula my journey changed. Lento ngayisho on my previous interview ngizohlala ngisho namanje ukuthi into zomoya sifuna abantu bomoya. When I arrived there, kunomuntu engahlangana naye lapha
emanzini.
Yebo.
Okay.
Kunamandla enganikezwa wona lapha emanzini. Bathi kimi ngivula izandla zami ezoyithi ungazivula. Amophilisa isizwe sami, abantu bayagula, abantu bahluphekile. Amophilisa abantu. Kula amandla ngawathola khona ukuthi ngibe lento engiyo today. Mangisuka lapho I came back here. Ngaqala eSoweto. Soweto mangifika eKopanong eholweni. That's why I started my services there. And people came till today. Bandla lachubeka uNkulunkulu ubusa abantu abaningi through my ministry. Baningi abantu abadiscover iPO zabo through my ministry. Baningi abantu abamisa indumba zabo through my ministry.
Okay. So ngihlale ngizokuthiwa uthwase emanzini or ubuye emanzini kunohlanga I think ugcatshwa somewhere.
No, angiyazi leyo.
Awuyazi leyo.
Angikhuluma angayazi.
No, I just wanted to know.
Okay.
Tell me, I normally see you ufaka ibhayi. It's called injeti.
Injeti, yes.
What is the significance of that?
Okay, injeti kakhulu phecelezi. It's a water spirit.
Okay.
It's a symbol.
Okay.
Yabona, it's a sign ukuthi wena umuntu osemanzini.
Okay.
So injeti ifakwa abantu iPO zabo zirelate namanzi.
Okay. I just wanted to understand your background.
Yes.
Before I can go manje siyakumgosi manje. Kuningi kushiwo ngawe Clive.
Yeah.
Ukuthi awuthwasanga.
And it's not a secret.
I'm running the show. Yes. So last week utrende kakhulu. Who is Lunga?
All right. Lunga is a boy whom I took in my house la. Ulunga came last year September manginomgidi wami wokugcotshela ubishop. Uletha usisi wakhe. Ulunga makafika, right, talented boy ushaya isigubhu. Usisi wakhe presented Ulunga kimi athi na Ulunga akandawo yokuhlala. They are related, I think it's a cousin. Akandawo yokuhlala. Siyamcelela ukuthi mkhulu abe under your guidance and leadership ahlale esigodlweni. Ngathi hey le ndaba izoba nzima for mina. And then I referred them kuba basasontweni babushabalala. I referred them ukuthi khuluma nobabushabalala and then babushabalala will assess the situation and then we'll bring back the boy to me ngilethele report. All right, it's fine babushabalala. Assessor. But no mkhulu, let's give him a chance. Yabona, let's give him a chance. Azohlala esigodlweni because la ngihlala no Jomo. Came to Jomo na situation kunomuntu ofuna ukuhlala la esigodlweni. Jomo no, I don't have a problem mkhulu kokwakho la. You can do whatever. Yabona? And then because of my good heart, because the homeless boy akananda ukuhlala, I took the boy in. The boy wahlala la. Uhlela from September up until 2 weeks back.
So lezi nto Ulunga ayikhulumayo ngawe. Are you seeing yourself as a victim?
I am a victim, phathanani. Ngingenelwa abantu mina la kwami. Angilandanga umuntu estradeni mina. It was on a Sunday, ngibuya esontweni eFosloras. Ngena la endlini, it was even late. Lento mayenzeka. Ngena la endlini as usual. It was me, Ujomo, my bodyguard was there. And then Gogo Mercedes came over. As an abangani bakaba yitu. Mathwasa bakho, the friends. They came over, mabafika, they wanted to go eThema. All right, the two friends, they were debating about that. Okay, fine. Mercedes said, no, she's tired, she will stay. Abahambe. So I instructed my bodyguard, take my car, drive them there. Bayenze and then babuyi. Just to be safe. 10 minutes baqeda ukuhamba bekune load shedding. 10 minutes baqeda ukuphuma, all right. Bengilight generator because it was dark. My generator was on, everything was on endlini. Baqeda ukuphuma. Bavala gate because gate lami isebenza nge-remote. Awukwazi ukulivula unless uphathe remote. Baqeda ukuphuma 10 minutes ku-trip generator. Sihlela sibukele TV nogogo Mercedes, trip generator, I stood up, bengavalanga amakhethini. I stood up to see what's the problem. Bangithi ngibheke window I see 4 guys running bangena. Angikhiya ngomnyango, angikhiya ngebhatla. I ran to lock the door. Mangikhiya umnyango, ngibabhekela through the blinds. Baqala eroomini, la lo mfana lele khona. Baphuma naye casually so. Akunamuntu oskrimayo. There was no force entry, akukhatshwanga umnyango, kuvula umnyango, bangena baphuma naye. Bahamba naye, bayalandelana, bamba la emnyango. Ngibabhekile through the blinds. Ulunga uthi mkhulu uvula. Hayibo, ngithi ngivulelana ufuna nebusuku. Yabona? mkhulu uvula ngithi angivule iminyango next. That's when these guys bathi vula umnyango ngathi angivuli. If you can see my door, this is a new door. Kune glass lapha, they broke the glass. I'll put it as if I can show you here ngilimele. And then ngabamba umnyango ukuthi bangangeni. Eventually baphula umnyango bangena. Alright, again kwaba ngimela iminyango ngithi nifunani. Yabona? Bacala bangishaya manje.
Oh, they managed to come in.
Yes, they managed to come in. Bangena. Then there was an altercation nje siyalo. Yabona? Bangifaka kule room leli, bamthatha basifaka kule room leli. Yabona? And bafuna ifone yami. They wanted my phone. I managed angazi uNkulunkulu amandla unginike kanjani. But vele ngiyenzile martial arts angithi. Ababamba phathanani, ngababamba straight labafana laba. Ngabamba oyi-1 ngamphonsela le, ngabamba omunye ngamshaya. Kwasale oyi-1 ngamphusha ukuthi siphume manje. Because yabona mangila endlini kuzoba ne problem. So ngilelo kuphuma manje nabo. Bangiphuma nabo right sashana siyaphuma. Solo siyalo. So ngaba overpowered. Because mina ukushaya tactical yabona. Ukubamba la kubhlungu khona.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, no, you're not sure, but I'm telling you my story.
Yeah, no, of course I'll listen to your story.
Yes, so, you have to.
Noma ushayiwe ngeke ungitshele.
Ngishayiwe vele.
Yeah.
Ngishayiwe vele because baningi yi-1. I managed to ukuthi ngiphume. Mangiphuma endlini ye-3 ngajump ifence. Mangijump ifence ngiyakokota khona, igogo vulani. Bathi hawu mfundisi yini, yabona? Ngithi noma nifunela amaphoyisa man, ngicela ukungenelwa. And I remember ukuthi nomntana abantu la endlini osele. Immediately I came back. Mangiphuma opposite la. There is a guy ohlala lapha. Babonile yonke lento yenzekile la. Waphuma nesibhamu shaya 4 shots ngaphandle abafana baphuma babaleka. At that time uLunga is nowhere to be found. Nowhere to be found. Ngilwa nabantu la. Angimazi nokuthi ukuphi, akunalunga omemezayo ukuthi ufuna usizo, nothing. And mind you, i-generator yami ngale muva. I've got dogs, amapurpur, big ones. These dogs mazibona umuntu ezingamazi ziyalwa. Izinja zikhonkotanga amacini generator ngale. And igate lami lisebenza nge-remote. I-remote beyiphethe uye kuphela. I-remote yemoto yami yahambile because it's attached to my car. Phumile usene-remote. Igate livuliwe. I-camera itwistiwe. Kucima i-generator. You see?
So okay. So before siqhubeka,
Yes.
okwakho ukubona.
Yes.
Lunga is responsible for break-in.
When I came back, mangibuya, ngomthola sekamela. Ngamkhomba ngathi uwe ongifakela abantu la. Uwe ongifakela abantu la ejaridini lami.
Okay, Clive.
Yes.
Ngokwakho ke. Why Lunga kumele enze into enjalo? What is the motive behind that?
Honestly, I don't know. I'll be lying to you because ngizabe ngomkhulumela ukuthi why azofaka abantu emzini wami. Why bekufuneka ifoni yami? I've had a similar incident last year May. I was kidnapped. An amount of 600,000 yaphuma from my phone. By Tata. Ngahlala 5 hours lapha.
So, do you think
Bekafuna ukwenza the same thing?
Bekafuna ukwenza the same thing. Okay. Yeah. Ulunga ukhuluma izinto eziningi kuma social media nawe.
Yes.
And I need you to be honest with me.
I will be honest. I haven't.
And the munchies that are watching us.
Yes.
Ulunga uchazile ukuthi bekahamba nawe endaweni ezini. So of course mina mangilalele or umuntu elalele uzoyibelieve whatever into ulunga I should. Of course Lunga, I'm not, it's your name because I know people are fast to say why my name was mentioned. I'm going to mention your name
because he mentioned my name.
Yes.
He mentioned my name.
So ulunga uthe wena unenyoka une phofolo I think it's Lwan. Do you have Lwan?
No, I don't. Angihlali nenyoka mina la. You see nje indle emncane kanjani?
Okay. Semanzini somewhere.
Where? Even the evidence I keep athi nayi inyoka yakhe ila.
So ucabanga ukuthi bekayishiswa yini lonto ulunga ngawe?
Because he failed. Nante bekayenza lana abangani bakhe. He failed.
So he failed.
That's why abalekile.
Yeah.
Yes, that's why abalekile. It's not to be found abalekile.
but ukuthi ahambe azokhuluma ngegama lakho asho into eso.
Uyazishielda because now he's trying to protect himself from what he did. Because Nyamvuna. He knows wherever he is with Nyamvuna. So whatever happens to him now, you're playing your band.
Unawo amanzi akho wena amanzi la uhamba uyo worshipha khona whatever. Uya emanzini.
Wonke umuntu onesiphiwo uya emanzini.
No, I'm talking to you now.
Yes, angithi yakuphendula nami ngithi wonke umuntu onesiphiwo.
No, don't.
Listen, Phathanani. Ngifuna ukuchazela ngithi ngilinde ngikhulume. Umuntu onesiphiwo, you go there for cleansing, you go there to pray.
I interviewed a lot of sangomas, a lot of attackers,
yeah,
and everything.
You know.
Some they will tell me ukuthi
nginedamu
lami la ungangeni khona omunye umuntu but mina. So now I'm asking you because uLunga uthi bekahamba nawe kulawo manzi lawo wena ufike lapha and lento lena inyoka la ngezansi la ngaphezulu iwumuntu. So me as Chef Bata, I'm asking you because as I'm saying, I interviewed a lot of people.
Yes.
Utwele?
No. Angitwela.
Uhlangana pho neinyoka ezingabantu phezulu
lezi. Ngihlangana apha neinyoka. La endlini. Mina I've got a bodyguard, I've got a driver. Ne? Ujomo uhlala endlini. Ujomo uhlala la for 3 years now. Ulungu ufike la September. Would you think when I would trust that boy? Ufike la uhlele la 5 months ngishiya umuntu engihlele la 3 years.
I'm listening your story.
Yes. So uLunga, he has never ever driven my car ahamba nami emotweni yami. People who know me, they will tell you uLunga ushaya isigubhu esontweni. uLunga even nala abantu abazohlola la abantu beze la endumbeni yami. Akazi imithi yami, azange angena acelisa abantu lapha endumbeni, akazabhave abantu la. uLunga into bekayenza bageza imoto zami kuphela.
So ke sengibuza wena ke yes or no. Unaso isilwane?
Anginaso.
Awunaso.
Yes.
Nesizwele ke uchaza ukuthi cha into engekho leyo and we hearing from the horse's mouth. I'm not done. I heard that when ama patient igulu zakho zingena zona kuqala esigodlweni orendumbeni yakho zifike zikhulume whatever la abazengayo ingabe lokho kuyiqiniso?
Yes, iqiniso.
Okay. Khona lapho wena uyabarekhoda labantu so that's mawusungena lapha usunayo yonke information yabo and wena usubatshela indaba zabo because ubarekhodile. Is that true?
No.
And if it's not true, please explain to us why.
Let me explain. That's why ngithi Phathanani. Umuntu engisebenza naye endumbeni yami uJomo. Yimi, uJomo, uSpati, uBongi, C4. That's my team. uLunga azange ongena endumbeni yami. For sure makangena naye was one of the people abazocela lapha. 2, many people will tell you ukuthi zonke into abazikhuluma lapha angibahloni nobahlolana ngazo. Never. Because lapho usuke uyedloza into la ekhaya uyoyicelela. Fanele ukuthi uyocela. Kunento esibiza because mina ngikhulisa kwamasango ngesindebele ne. Kunento esibiza ukuthi phahla badimo. Kula madlozi ahlala khona, kula ukhuluma khona namanzi azola ekhaya. So mawungena la kulegcekeli la ekhaya. Usuke uyokhuluma nalabantu bakini uhlanganisa idlozi lakini ledlozi la ekhaya ukuthi ngingenile ke la emagcekeni ngabhoda masango. Ngizocela ukuthi idlozi lami la kaMbatha lihlangane ngilosa la ekhaya. Lingibusise, lingikhangisele into zami. Finish abantu baphume lapha. There is no deep things that people say there. So imagine ngihlola abantu abayi20 max a day. So tell me ukuthi if bengine recording ngarecorda abantu abayi20 and ngikhumbule bonke abantu abayi20 bonke straight
sitsheliwe thina siwumphakathi sitsheliwe sisizwe ukuthi wena
recording shothi ngo-Einstein ke ingqondo yami ke hayi shothi ke ngine-memory good ke. You know, imagine mabaqeda ukukhuluma I enter the immediately bonke labantu abayi20 maqeda uphuma lo kungena lo phuma lo mina ubuza bonke abantu abazali angahlala more than 5 minutes lapha endumbeni yami because of line.
Uyahlola right? Uhlola ngani ngekhanda ngomoya ngenhlolo?
Ngomoya anginayinhlolo mina. Ngiyabona Phathanani, ngiyabona nyezwa.
Okay.
Ngiyabona nyezwa.
So ayikho into ye-record.
Tell me, ngihlola nabantu nasesontweni. I've got a church nasesontweni. Esontweni. So tell me esontweni ngirecorda bani? ubani ngimrekhode esontweni ke ngomhlolo esontweni ke abantu bangaka bagcwele laphayana ngirekhode bani
Mina phela lo muntu lo uhlala naye so thina masizwa ngaye
yes
and lo
bengihlala
muntu
naye was a
lona-
boy that I helped mina
Yeah.
ngisho ukuthi ngihlale ngithatha umuntu ngamfaka ejaridini ngomzwela kanti ngithatha inyongo ngifaka ejaridini lami ngiyayifida ukuthi nyoka kakhulu uzongiluma kusasa so why Phathana azokhuluma zonke lento now after that incident here why now
Me, I don't know. That's
Yeah.
why I'm sitting here with you.
that's why
because I
ngithi
need answers from
yeah
you.
that's why ngithi umuntu ohlakaniphile because I know that vele indaba ezimbi they travel that's why ngithi lento ivuse nezitho engicabanga ukuthi nginazo emhlabeni ivuse nabantu engicabanga ukuthi yo kanala abantu laba izitha zami
Okay, tell me.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me. Do you have a swimming pool in your Ndumba?
yes I do have
Why?
ngumuntu amanzi isiphiwo sami ngisilanda emanzini and akuswi-swimming pool akuswi umuntu laphaya akuswi-swimming pool there it's a pond
So yenzani kahle kahle is ya umuntu wamanzi.
yes i-connecta nedlozi lami lasemanzini that's why things are happening that's why abantu bapusiseka la that's why abantu bakhanyiselwe into zabo because of that pond
It's just that ngiyayisabi Ndumba. Ngizofika but
ngakuvulela namanje yobona
yeah, it's just that yeah.
ngakuvulela yobona there's nothing there
So kahle kahle uthi ulunga uyinyoka.
yebo because why would you tarnish my if you know nalo sisi wakhe okhuluma naye okhuluma abangena kuma live
Black Panther.
yes
Okay.
bakhuluma ngami manje soloko wamdampa la September nangalanga lomhlola zankaza la a drive imoto yakhe uZulunga unjani or give me a phone call mkhulu uhlala noLunga how is uLunga niphilisana kanjani lapho udlani ugcokani I have to make sure that I feed the boy every day
So relationship yakho no Black Panther yini?
there's no relationship there she came to the church bekumuntu ozesontweni
Yeah, I heard that you are sleeping nabantu besonto kuma besonto.
no that's false that's not true
That's not true.
that's not true ubani ngilana besontweni aba bring them forth babeke la nalo angilana muntu esontweni
And nomntwana ona 16.
OP Phathanani I'm raising a 6-year-old who is turning 7 this year if you can go to my socials or anywhere nabantu aba close to me they know how much I love my daughter and ngumkhulisa in such a way that I'm protecting her ukuthi makakhula one day she must never rely endodeni abe nento zakhe that's the reason why I work so hard I have a daughter so tell me ngubaba mina if I can hear that umntanami amhlambulana nomuntu omdala nakuye how would I feel why would I do that
Because he did
Sathane lokho
mention ukuthi uyena ebelanda ugirl amlethe kuwo.
but I've got witnesses man yonke into engikhuluma I've got witnesses kunomuntu engihlala naye la for 3 years uhlala la so why would I use ulunga ukuthi ayongilandela umntwana na 16 years why would I do that
Because I was shocked
exactly
and disappointed at the same
no
time.
I'm a leader Phathanani I'm a leader I'm a bishop of a church I'm helping people every day of my life here. They will tell you that man I'm even mentoring ngihlale ngizwa ama case abantwana abafika lapha endombeni yami abantu abangazi who are close to me they will tell you that
Okay, fine. I'm glad you've cleared.
yes
Then Clive kuna la ulunga athi wena uthe before le la ulunga athi wena wamthuma ukuthi ayobulala umuntu.
all right Phathanani
Are you a murderer?
I'm not that's a very serious case that's why ngithi that's the reason why I never replied konke nama allegations now because there's a case ekhona I opened a case and process ngizosuwa abantu abaningi la I'm going to sue them because igama lami leli and I'll stand for my name in court ukuthi which person ngike ngathuma uLunga mina athi abangibulela yena ngifuna mkhiphe lo muntu loyo ukuthi bishop wangithuma ukuthi ngiyobulala uZibani ngifuna mkhiphe lo muntu loyo ethi mina ngiyobulala yena never I'm not a murderer
The day ulunga eshaywa la were you present?
I was here
Awuzange uthi ulunga bulawe.
All right, let me explain ke indaba kaLunga ukushaya kwakhe. Mase kufika my bodyguard noJomo bangena.
Okay, before you explain,
Yes.
I want you to answer me.
Yes, I'm answering you. Angithi ngifuna ukuzela nestory ukuthi what happened.
No. There is a question here. Awuzange uthi uLunga abulawe.
Pathanani. Azange likhiphe
Awuzange ukusho lo. Awuzange ukusho lo.
Yes.
Okay, you can explain ke.
All right. Mase kulayitwa ama-camera because i-generator siyilayitile ngithi. I've got cameras also on my phone here. We checked, my bodyguard checked efonini yami. Ukuthi what happened? Sa rewind, sa reverse ama-camera. We see the boy, igate liyavulwa, we see the boy twisting the camera because the camera liyakulandela mawuhamba. So he twisted the thing. And he knows that mawucima i-generator or i-gas mayahamba, cameras are down. So we saw the thing la efonini. Uyakuya mbuzo ukuthi bra kwenzakalani la? Who is this?
Who's asking Lunga?
Bodyguard lami libuzo Lunga.
Oh, okay.
Ukuthi how? Naku siyabona la ndoda. Why uchift camera? Why gate livulekile? Why generator icemile? He failed to answer. Yabona, ngoba ne-altercation mina bengilimele, I was wounded. Ngihleli lapha ngivuza igazi, ngishayiwe. And leya ukuthi ushayiwe. Ulunga ngathintwa ngumuntu la. Ulunga azange ashaywe. If bengifuna ulunga ashaywe, ulunga bekazoshaywa. Ulunga azange ashaywe.
So azange ashaywe.
Azange ashaywe ulunga because I said I called ngibiza amaphoyisa la. Ukuthi afike la. Icala lelo kushaya umuntu. So I said yekani ulunga. Amaphoyisa already asendleleni. That's when bamiyela. Tell me ke. uJomo ohlala eroomini. Ifoni yakhe uthi beyilapha eroomini. Nefoni kaLunga beyilapha eroomini. uJomo akafika la uthi Lunga apha amafoni. Hayi amafoni bawathathile. Yabona? Ne remote gate bayithathile. So uLunga makathi semfaka edustbin egcwele amanzi. Wakhaba idustbin, wajump ifence wabaleka. Ifoni yakhe bekuphi? Why Lunga choose the second phone? Where was his phone? Ngoba ifoni kumele imali ingene emanzini angithi. Where was his phone makenzeka yonke lento le? And why ana recordings? I record uJomo na yonke lento I keep I present nama messages I present efonini yakhe. If ifoni yakhe was damaged. Yabona? If ifoni yakhe was damaged. Why? Because ifoni mayahamba nama recordings ayahamba. Noma ungayenza swim swap or uyenzeni ifoni lomfana la yana ne-iCloud awukhona ukretrieve information.
So basically uLunga azange ashaywe.
Yes.
uLunga awuzange uthi uLunga akabulawe.
Never.
Awukaze wathumela uLunga ukuthi ayobulala abantu nibalahlele ngasemathuneni or
akayongivuleli case manje. Let him go. That's why bamnike nemali bemsupport. They gave him money ukuthi ayovula case. Till today azange ayivule case leyo. Ngifuna lento I present nase court because mina ngiyakutshela I'm going to sue a lot of people here. And I'll make sure ukuthi ngigeze igama lami. Ngifuna bahamba present the evidence.
Let's take a break. Yes, I had to bring up my weakness. Mercedes wena manje sofika kanjani la?
Ngevosho.
Kanjani Mercedes mina ngikwazi ungase Soweto wena and ngiyabona kuma video nawe igama lakho libaliwe and ubalwe njengomthakathi nenhliziyo embi. Kwenzakalani Mercedes? Why wena uzobizwa ngomthakathi and umuntu lenhliziyo embi and then uma kungenwa la bewukuphi wena bekwenzakalani Mercedes?
Okay, to clear indaba yokuthi ngumthakathi. Umuntu ozothi ngumthakathi usho ukuthi ungizamile wabona ukuthi cha akwenzeki. Wazi wa discover ukuthi ungumthakathi. Leyo buthakathi angiyazi.
Inhliziyo embi unayo Mercedes?
Me. Oh my gosh, I'm the sweetest out there. Kodwa if kuthiwa nginenhliziyo embi phela ukubona, I cannot determine what people think about me. Kodwa ukuthi ngifike lana, we went to Mgidini, right? And then umkhulu Dabula had Mgidi on the same weekend, so we decided to say let's come this side so that we can split. Abanye baye khona baye khonza because we were not able to show up. So Savetena says ngapha, and then my friends needed to go to Mkhulu, bahambe bayenza whatever that was due. But I was tired, so I was like, I'm not leaving. Hambani Nina, I know good if Mabona and Makwande are there, they are representing me. So yeah, that's how I got here.
So makwenzakala zonke le inkinga bewula.
Yo, yeah.
Akhuluma Mercedes.
Bekhona phakathi shiqi.
Abakushayanga wena.
Yeah, well, impama yakhona ngizwanga.
Oh,
So,
impama ingenile.
Yeah, yona ingenile shame. And you see, I don't have nails this time around because one of them broke my nail, and then I got an infection. But I had to remove my nose. So what happened is that, ebusuku like mkhulu said, we came in very late. Mesfika, they were debating about leaving, and I was like, whatever you guys decided, so then ugesi awukho. And we were like, okay, sharp, generator is running, and then the generator trips. As it tripha kanjalo, umkhulu says ukuthi ukhona abantu egcekeni, yabo. Mina ngiyacabanga ke manje 1 + 1, I'm a woman. What am I going to do in this case? Because I can't help in any way. Umkhulu avalele ebathroom ukuthi nje whatever happens, at least awukuthi uvalelekile.
Bakuvalele ebathroom?
Yes.
Niyofela emizini yabantu as you proceed.
Like that I figured you imagine my family finding out that I passed out a bathroom. I did think about that, but what happened is that as much as kuphulwe umnyango mina ngizwe amaglass mkhulu sasuka lana bathroom kwaphula umnyango. In my head I'm thinking, no, you can't say people are breaking in. I registered, I'm very relaxed because of ngikhathele siphuma emgidini. As soon as I hear umnyango uphuka, I'm like, okay, shit is about to break loose. And I was like, where do I go? Ngiyaphi ngizivalelekile bathroom truth bayongena nje vedena kuthiwa la ngugeli phezu kwakhe iphelile indaba yakhe. So this guy opens the door, mayfika vela kunagesi, ngithi the generator tripped, so ngikhanyise ngeflash. Mayfika, this guy's like, who you calling? I'm like, I'm not calling anyone, I'm phoning. He's ngimbonisa screen. Then he grabs my phone. That's where we started going back and forth with the phone. Wathi uyayithatha ngathi kulwa kancane, wathi impama ngathi okay fere sharp. And then he dragged me out of the bathroom. Sapuma. As sizopuma, I'm like, siyapi, where we going? And I'm stepping on glass, so I can't really go out there. Bo sharp lo mfana kushuthi abona ukuthi umkhulu manje uyibambile. Abangani bakhe bayandisa lapha being manhandled. Umfana wangishiya la, literally wangishiya endleleni. Quick, they took my phone. At least asibe nefone eyi-1 ukuthi safe. I grab umkhulu's phone and I go to the bedroom and I start hiding. Now as I'm hiding, uLunga comes in. Yangibiza sister angibazi labantu abangenile. I don't know Lunga's voice because I've only met him twice. Angiyazi voice yakhe. So mayingibiza ke kuqaleni, I'm like, no, keep your silence because I don't know who's calling me. Maybe angibiza ziyokhala. And then shortly after uLunga calls me, I hear gunshots ngaphandle. I'm like, oh my god. Ngiwane emzini. uLunga I don't know wenzani ngaphandle. Umkhulu ukhishiwe bayalwa. If you're hearing gunshots in my head, I'm thinking ukuthi kushuthi badubula yena, yabo. And I'm sitting there like, what do I do in this case? Kwenzakalani ngami? Okay, but what's going on, yabo? uLunga phinda abuye. Mayibuya, he asks for ifoni yakamkhulu. Ngiyambuza ukuthi umkhulu uphi? Hayi angazi gogo. Hey, ifoni yakamkhulu. Siphume ekamreni kahle. Aye ekamreni lakamkhulu. Funa ifoni. I'm like, I don't know ukuthi iphi. Ngilapha ngifihlile. I'm like, I get again. So after that, umkhulu abuye, uyangibiza Mercedes. I'm like, oh thank God. Manje ngibuka umuntu uvuza igazi ziyakhala ke manje. I'm thinking to myself, these people came in but they didn't take anything but my phone. So what's happening here?
Okay, this is the question I want you to answer for me and the Manchels. uLunga washaywa?
No. uLunga, we watched the live. uLunga claims ukuthi ushaywe ngesibhamu. In this case, there are 2 people that were showing his bum. Umkhulu showing his bum. He was bleeding from his head and his collar was full of blood. I even thought ukuthi mhlambe ukhona labamdubule khona. uLunga, the first time azongibiza, his shirt was still intact.
So akazange ashawe uLunga. Thank you so much, Mercedes. Jom.
Yebo baba.
Sawubona.
Kunjani?
Ukhona kunjani?
Ngiphila.
Nawe ngiyeza ukuthi ufakaze omkhulu kule ndaba le. And then nawe ngiyeza ukuthi wena unesandla. Awungitshela kahle Jom. La ekhaya nidli, niyancintsha ukudla.
La ekhaya?
Ubaba la ekhaya ucabangele ngaphela, uyaphuma ahambe e-restaurant ningadlile, nisale nilambile.
Uyangibona ngingakanani umzimba wami ngiyadla ngiyasutha.
Kwenzakaleni Jom? Nawe bewuplana lento lokuthi ningene lomkhulu, nirobho omkhulu.
Anginamngane akho umuntu engaplana naye.
So kwenzakaleni awungiphe nje iside lakho le story. Lezi zinto longayikhulumayo ku social media zivelaphi?
Zivela emcondweni wakhe.
Okay.
Into azicabangayo lezo. Nokuhlaza abantu, amagama abantu.
So ngokwakho lezi zinto ayikhulumayo ebehlaza umkhulu.
Umkhulu ya.
Uma izohlaza umkhulu ufuna ukuthola ini ngokwakho ubheka?
Mina ngiyangibona ngakhona ngathi bami sekunabantu abamsebenzisayo.
Okay.
The way ayenza ngakhona, the way akhuluma ngakhona. Ngoba mengizwa yonke into ayikhulumayo. Hayi.
angizwa ngiyayizwa mara angizwa angiyazi hayi anhlaka ayizwa angizwa mina ngizwa next uyasetshenziswa kunabantu abamsebenzisayo lo
ukuze bezomosha
igama lakamkhulu
abakuthenganga wena ukuthi uzosho into esho la kimi
ngingathengwa bani
phela bashilo ukuthi umkhulu uyamthenga
babasho bona kulungile
awukazi ucomplain wena ngokuthi ukhokhelwa kancane awukhokhelwa kahle
ngicomplain kubani ngoba ngihlala
kuye ngikhuluma naye ulunga
ayikho into engayikhuluma nolunga akazanga nami lana ayikho into engamtshela umuntu kumele ngicomplain kuma ngiyacomplain ngacomplain kumkhulu or kumama uSipati njengomama osiphethe la ekhaya
so ubudlelwane bakho nolunga bekunjani mesehlala la ekhaya
okwamlunga yeah ngizobeka straight angifuna ukujika jika ulunga la kimi ulunga bengilala naye icene bakasiya sihlale eroomini lo-1 benginganamngani benginganabuhlobo phakathi kwami naye yeah bengingamzwisisa ngangizwisisi yeah
so ngelanga leli kwenzeka le nkinga le bewukuphi bewungekho wena
yeah mina bengiphumile umkhulu bakathe siphumeka isikhapha nabantu abethu besibakhapha eThemba
but manibuya nifice vele kunabantu kubhizi la
umkhulu usifonela wasitshela ukuthi jikani uhlaselwe sajika endleleni sangifika la bese khona sajika
so manibuya la uClive umkhulu wakho wawakhipha amazwi ukuthi ulunga makabulawe
ngizwa ngolunga mina umkhulu zangakhuluma into eziningi nolunga umkhulu ngomthola hleli phansi ngathi kuyenzakalana ngoba ngibona umnyango uphukile vele sekenzakalana namanje ngicabanga ukuthi ngibone igazi kuye ngisho ukuthi mhlawumbe udutshuliwe uqatshiwe uceke bathathe yonke into la endlini yabo ngifuna ukujahela ukuzobheka la phakathi but ngiyambona umkhulu yabulimele vele ngoba besonto incuphala zesonto ulimele cela amagazi
so azange aze athi umkhulu azange athi ngomlomo wakhe ulunga makabulawe
sangalisho lo kama.
Thank you so much Buddha. Thank you. My munchies, I am back. Bengidinga a break after lezi zindaba engizizwile. Anyway, don't forget I am an author of this beautiful book called On My Own I Have Found Sunshine. If you want a copy of my book, please do DM me, WhatsApp me, email me. Copies on the trend and we deliver across South Africa via PEP Pixie. I want to say thank you so much to each and everyone who already purchased a copy of my book. We're back. Clive.
Yes, Patanani.
So le ikandali zakho zonke. Amanga ukuthi kumele kubulawa abantu kushaywe abantu wena awusiyo umbulali wena futhi unesipho owaphiwa sona. You are not a fake pastor, fake healer.
You see, if I was fake Patanani, mina ngisebenzela la ngihlala la wonke umuntu ongifunayo ongithola la. If I was fake bekungithole mina la abangihlala in some estate of Africa ngivalelekile lapha akhame mangizosebenza mangicela ukusebenza ngiyahamba. I'm easily accessible. People from my church will tell me even after church they come to me bezenenkinga zabo bakhulume nami. I'm that guy. Easily accessible.
Very honest, ne?
Yes, I'm that guy.
Tell me about 1 million. They said you ran away with 1 million. You were supposed to do that.
Hey, ngifuna lapho ke 1 million. Patanani, okay. I had a church in Davidton, right? Ngithe mangihamba when I left mangizoya eKZN. Leadership emotelo ngahlala bonke phansi abatshela I'm leaving. I had at the time it was worth 150,000. My sound was worth 100,000. Sound esontweni. Chairs were there, everything was there. Azange mina ngihambe ngikuke something ngihamba nayo. I left everything there. So if ngibaleke na 1 million, tell me, ngikhule eDaveyton angithi. Ugogo wami uhlala eDaveyton. Umntana wami uhlala eDaveyton. Ngise Daveyton every week. Every Monday I'm there. Even this past Saturday bengilapha ngiyofuna something lapha azange ngithole pick up ngangena Shoprite. Ngihamba ngiyi1 without any bodyguard, alone. So bengizohamba publicly so ngene eDaveyton eMayfield Mall ngazi ukuthi ngiskema abantu 1 million ngibaleke nayo. And ngihlala Whiteville. eDaveyton it's about 20 minutes away from here. So if bengibaleke na 1 million bengizohlala la.
So awuzange uthathe 1 million yokwakhiswa.
Abavela abantu engibathathele 1 million bavula case. It was just a story from my enemies abafuna ukucela igama lamphansi.
So into engekho leyo.
If bekhona Patanani ngaba ngikho mina la.
Okay.
Ngina 1 million bra
150,000
yakabani
oyithathile yomuntu ungathi ivideo yakho nabeyilapha ku TikTok but ya disappear.
disappear
Yeah.
angiyazi
So akuna 150 wena or scam umuntu. You are not a scammer wena.
no phathanani ngihlala la ngisebenza la ngihlale ngila angiphume mina I'm always here ongifuna ngithola la amanamba wami akubhayo yami TikTok
Kunomama la ngimuzwe ethi wena watshela ibandla ukuthi bekhiphe ama 10,000 ifuna abantu abawu 20 or abawu 40 they bekhipha ama 10,000 uzobasiza ukuthi izinto zikhanye behlale kuma mansion behambe ngeimoto like do you know that story?
that's a lie.
Do you know that story? Awukazwa sizwe.
That's a lie.
No, before uzothi it's a lie. Ngithi le story awusazi. No. There is an answer now that you need to give me before uzozanendaba. Awusazi lo story awukazi wasiza.
Mathembisa abantu yonke into mathembisa yona. No.
So le story se 10,000 emandleni awukazi wasiza.
All right, pathanani. Na into yenzakalayo, ne?
Okay.
I run my TikTok lives from Tuesday to Saturday at 8 p.m. Now, there are people abangena la testify. Ngibani opportunity. And now there were kunabantu abatestifayayo. Kunento engibayenzele yona. Bangibonga. Bathi mkhulu siyabonga ngithole 1 2 3 4 5. And then there were people now who showed interest. Bafuna lento abayifunayo from me. And I told them straight, that 10,000 rands pathanani. Ayizi nakimi. My helpers would tell about Sparta abobongile. They will tell you straight, I even lose money. Ngemithi yami ngiletha la. Pathanani mina I'm a healer who invests emithini yakhe. That's why abantu babamba imithi yami into zabo zenzeka. Imithi yami strictly from Mozambique.
So before we emithini yakho,
angithi ngisachaza
le 10,000.
Ngiza nendaba.
Okay.
Now, when they showed interest, sahlala phansi we calculated the costs. Okay, to deliver this thing, you just charge malini. And then you have 10,000. Azange to a cent of that money that even came to me. So ukuthi mina ngithembisa abantu bazohlala ema-mentionini bra ngabe nami ngihlala ku-mention.
So into engekho.
Inkinga yazi abantu yini pathanani as healers will tell you there out there ukuthi abantu mina that's what into engihlala ngibalekela ukuthembisa abantu into engibanikeze yona. Mina mawuza kimi la ngikunika umuthi bamba ambofutha ambogeza wena uzobuya ungitshela that's why mawubuya la ekhaya kune follow up there's a feedback that we do. So if I was a scammer why ngizoyenza ama feedback ukuthi umuntu uzile ozohlola samnika imithi imela buye ne feedback ngifuthile na kwenzeke 1 2 3 4 5 empilweni nami sikunike i-treatment. So if I was a scammer bengithatha imali yakho ngaphinde ulibeke nenyawo lakho la.
And you did say wena umgedla wazi imithi ulunga uthe uyene behambe ukuthengela umuthi uthenga ngiphi imithi la.
That's a lie.
My something like
That's
that.
That's a lie.
My old Faraday.
Una yiphi license azo drive imoto zami. Engizomthuma ukuthi angile Joburg. Una yiphi license?
Because the way bekasho ngakhona
I've never even trusted the boy to that extent. People who come here bazokutshela bathi ulunga into ebekayenza la. Yangoshela imoto, he was even lazy. Phela, mangithi ngifuna ukuphuma ngale moto geza le moto le. Finish into ebekayenza ulunga la ekhaya.
So uthi kimi bangcolisile igama lakho.
Bangcolisile baba.
Nizwele ke ukhuluma noClive okuningi and of course nami ngisashokekile because izinto engizwile bezithusa.
Yeah.
And then futhi thank you so much ukuthi you are doing this with me to hear iside lakho le story. I wonder Lunga wherever you are how do you feel now when this gentleman sitting next to me is telling his story because a lot was said lapha. Anything you want to say to him?
Yeah, no. I mean, I forgive the boy. I forgive the boy. The boy is still young. Mhlawumbe uzifunela ifame. Ufuna ukuphakama ngegama lami wangifakela abantu la ejardini lami. It's fine. I mean, I leave it up to God. uNkulunkulu namadlozi wami will fight for me. But bonke labantu abafakazile bonke labantu abakhuluma igama lami I'm going to take them to court. I'm going to sue them. I'm going to take them to court to defend my name. Because igama lami labantu, you know, I was shocked Phatanani mangibukele all that live eyenzwa igama lami. I was shocked. Ngihlela sofuna ukuthi abakhulu ngabayangazi. They don't even know me from a bar of soap. And they called me. Bafuna ngizosifakazela. I'm not the type of guy ozongena kuma TikTok lives ozodefenda lapho. That's not me. Why would I enter a TikTok live? You defend igama lami. Kubantu abangangazi. That's why I called you to come here. Angit. I called Phatanani, please come here. I need to clear my name. So, I don't answer to anybody. If they wanted me, Bishop, still interview now, I would have granted them that interview in a proper way. But I can't enter a live of someone else I'm about popular using my name, my numbers, my likes. I will never do that. That's why I never entered that live. I was harassed out bang phone yam. Bang phone left, right, and center bafuna. Ban yakfuna with TikTok. Ban yakfuna with TikTok. What that live thing there? Then I must enter that live. I'm a victim. Kungenele mina kwamla. Angiyanga mina strategy ngawulanda abantu ukuthi bangenele kwami. Chawe mina la. I lost things here. Amafuna abantu anyamalele la. Kuphula umnyango wami la. Yabona. Now all of a sudden he's a victim. All of a sudden ngitsakane itora zozikhuluma ngami. I was feeding the boy here.
The boy did say ukuthi bekangadli wena bongathenga ukudla when you leave go to the restaurant behlezi la belambile, and the boy did say that the only person on inhliziyo la endlini uSipati.
Yawona Sipati bangakhuluma. I'm telling you, pheka uSipati la. Kupheka uSipati la, uSipati aphakele wonke umuntu Phatanani. Mina ngithenga ukudla kwaseWoolworths la. Wonke umuntu udla lokudla ngokudla. Anginakudla kwami okuseparate. USipati usiphakela sonke. Asiphakele sonke equally. So if that was true, ngihlale nabantu mina baningi abantu engihlale nabo bangena baphuma la. Why bangakhompelana ngabonke bathi umkhulu kasipho kudla? Ujomo ngihlale naye for 3 years. Ujomo udla noma yini afuna ukuyidla la. Then the boy comes. If bengamfiti la, why ngafonela ngefamily yakubo? Ukuthi hey la ngihleli khona nyalamba. Cela nizongithatha or nyahamba la. He had the right to live here. Bengazijele la. If bengadli la why ngahambanga? Why would you stay emzini omuntu voluntarily so? Ungadli for 3 days. Angibophanga umuntu mina la. Yena ucele mina indawo yokuhlala.
When I heard that, I was like, you are horrible.
Yo. I'm a demon. I'm
like horrible.
Yeah, but you know, I was shocked mangizwa le story. I was shocked. You know ukuthi bekuphakwa kuphekwa la kunokudla ngale bekuhlala ngale for days. Bangakudli for days kuhlala ngale kuze kubanga namaphela ngale ngize ngilwe. You know, so why bengahambi Phatanani? Why angafonelanga the very same family members today abamdefendayo?
So when bongamthekile ikota nje 25 rand.
Phatanani.
Kube nje lokho
Usabali
mfana
kote
ashaya
25
isigubhe sontweni.
Usabali kote 25 rand.
Mara uzodli.
Bekagqoka impahla zami lo mfana. I gave even my suit. Last year October bengivula amatshe la nge-19th October. I even gave him my suit. Abasontweni bayazi even my jacket ebengisigqoka. Kuthi gqoka mfana bamuhle, be presentable. Agundiswa yimi inwele. Today ngumncintsha ukudla.
Let's close the show.
Amen.
Your last word of wisdom. I know you are a bishop, darling. I know when you're standing on that pulpit. Yes. your word of wisdom.
You know, Bible Phatanani, be quick to listen but slow to speak. So I wish as abantu abamnyama before uphawula or before uzokhuluma ngomunye umuntu ngathi uyamazi, hear the both sides of the story. A coin, there are two sides of the coin. You can't take one side of the story ugijime nalo hambe nalo. Ungakezwa omunye umuntu uthini. That's why I felt I won't enter any live because I saw that these people already are attacking me. So mangizongena lapha yana uyobangeni. That's why be quick to listen but slow to speak. Ezinye izinto zidinga ukuthi umuntu ahlakaniphe, be intelligent. Into social media ungayithathi. Nento izwa ngomunye umuntu ungayithathi. So ngihlale ngisho ngithi sitha somuntu omnyama omunye umuntu omnyama. Umuntu uyisa umuntu omnyama, omunye umuntu omnyama. mina isono sami ukuthi ngithathe umuntu bengandawo yokuhlala ngamfaka ejardini lami. Isono sami leso. And ngamfida ngamnakekela up until that last day angibetray. Azokhuluma kanje ngami today. I'm hurt.
I can see you.
And angeke ngiphinde ngithathe umuntu engizohlala naye la. Because lento ngilimazile phathanani.
Uxolo for that. And yazi kulana athi ulunga I don't know whether it's one of the people that stays here.
Yeah.
Bebefuna vele ukuthi beyenze lento ngoba bayasebenza mara bakhokhela.
Okay. That recording kaJomo. All right. There was an incident, I think 2 months back here. Because you see the way honest ngakhona. Ngokubathuma there's my bodyguard naye. Because angasithola sometimes khatho ke mall. Amano thenga igrocer. Na icard lami na ipin. They got him by uthenga igrocer into sizidla la endlini. So I think the boy sakazi phina ngithi. My card yalahleka la endlini. Kwalahleka 5,000. So mina ngihleli la ngibona 5,000 ya withdraw ebani. Sengifuna icard lami la endlini, ngifuna icard lami nowhere to be found. I suspected him. Ngathi Jomo, because Jomo bekaselivini. Jomo akabuya ngathi Jomo, search the boy. Mkuphi mfuna indaba. Because nemali lahlekile nabantu abaziphini yami it's 1 2 3. Yini nengihlala nani la endlini wena I'll forgive you bongekho. Lo nalo bebakhona. Basearch. So I think the boy beseka phezulu kweingcondo. Aphezulu kwazo. uJomo because ufuna ba society lakhe bekavumelana yonke into bekayisho ukuthi amgubhe ukuthi le 5,000 iphume kanjani account namkhulu. And you know the boy nje obahlala la bekahlala khipha amagama athi ngifuna ukufana nawe. I want to be like you mkhulu.
When?
Yeah, hlala athi nginike lento nayo. Ngithi nginani lo engizokunika yona mina. Yini enginayo ngizokunika yona athi nginike lento nayo. Ngiyayifuna le power yakho, ngiyayifuna lento nayo. Like this boy. Even the side ngizongenelwa ngayo la bengihleli nabo lapha eroomini. If I'm such an evil man. Ngihlala lapha eroomini. Sihleli sonke besidla. Masiceda ukudla siyahlala siyacoca. Okay ngibanika imali bayothenga amakhoda bayabuya bayadla. Because akuphekwanga usipati beyangekho. Angithi anginamfazi mina. So kubona uzoma estofini apheke. So mangaphekanga so kuthenga amakhoda, you know? So bayadla ngale. So sihleli siyacoca. This boy repeated the very same thing ukuthi ngifuna ukufana na because if you can look at his TikTok, ushutela zonke imoto zami la. Ahlala bonisa amantombazana ukuthi imoto zami lezi yini lena yami lena, you know? The boy wanted to be me. So now I think he's angry because lento bekayifuna. I will even show you ishowini yakho. Angithi you interviewed me once. Ngicela wona uyifunde lento le phathanani before sivala. Eshowini yakho phathanani. Let me do this.
Kuningi.
Ngifuna uyifunde lento le usho ukuthi amanga amakuphi.
Hey kuningi. Hayi kuningi. That's why ngiyithanda ama-interview abantu ngezinto eziso cause kuvele kube kuningi ungasazi ukuthi ikuphi kona like right now I'm shocked after all those videos because they were sent to me and I had to take some today because like I need to and bengithi bengithukile ukuthi kanti wena unesilwane
wena uhlala phathanani. You even know me socially.
Esinyoka. You Clive nezinto shame.
I'm looking for this
thing. I need nezinto.
Nah.
My munchies, we are closing the show.
Ngifuna unofunde lento le wena.
Ngicela usizo nami ngokuthwala please sengizwile. That's Lungesh. Host, please help. Host, you were interviewing my father.
So this was your live. Lebo kuyi live yakho le. Ne? Bang screenshotela lento bayangithumelela bathi bheka lo mfana ohlala naye lo uthini. Esho ngaphathanani. So uthi ufuna ukuthwala. Ngicela ungisize you as a host. So you must help him. Ngafika la endlini ngambuza ngathi wena mfana. Ngihlala nawe la endlini uhamba ungena ama live na uphathana manje ufuna ukuthwala. Yini into oyikhulumayo?
Let's close the show. Thank you so much for watching. On that note, it's a wrap. And goodbye, darlings. Let's do this.
Cheers.
And then when I'm paying my train, or else I'm gonna have 7 years of bed sex.
Let's
do it again. Or else,
7 years of bed sex.
Yes. Thank you.
It's a wrap.